Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do another unboxing. And yes, I am very excited today because this is my package from Weaver shop. So this is my first time to get an army bomb. So guys, let's go. Let's do an unboxing, guys. I'm very excited. So let's go. For this light stick, you need to use 3 AAA batteries. For you to control your light stick and connect it to the concert, you need to download BTS official Lightstick app on your phone. Here is the app. Make sure that your Bluetooth is on your phone so that you can connect your light stick and control it using your phone. First, you need to turn on your light stick. Slide the button downward so that it will be discoverable in your phone. And turn on your Bluetooth on your phone. Then click SE or your version of light stick and wait for it to connect. Once it is connected, you can now control the colors of your light stick. You can also control the blinks and the brightness of your light stick. You can also check the battery in the app so that you'll know when to change your batteries. And if you're going to connect it in concert mode, just click concert mode. And that's how easy it is to control your light stick. I hope you like my unboxing for today, guys, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button below, guys, because I still have so many surprises for you guys for the upcoming weeks. So please stay tuned on my channel, guys. Don't forget to hit the bell button. That's very, very important. Okay, guys, so stay safe, guys. Bye.